In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cabin air filter on your Ford Taurus, located behind the glove box. Going to open up your glove box. Now you want to go ahead and empty any items that might be in the glove box before you continue. Once you've done that, on the left-hand side here, there's going to be a plastic arm. And you're going to be able to notice on the inside there's a plastic button here, and it goes through and it holds this here and it gives it the dampening feature. We need to go on the inside here and push this button up. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver. You can reach on the other side here and lift up on this, pop it up and push it out. Now take your glove box on each side, push it in and drop it down, pull it towards you. You're releasing the glove box from these pivotal points right here. And here is the arm that we just released with that little locking button. Now right here is the access door to the cabin air filter. On the bottom right here, there's going to be a little lock tab, and there's one right here. I'm going to use a angled pick, and I'm just going to get underneath here and just gently pry this down. And do the same on the other side. And you can only just grab that with your finger. And just pop that out. Okay, to remove that filter. You see this definitely overdue. Before installing the new filter, is we need to remove this unit right here. This is the unit that attaches to the side of the glove box. And the reason why we need to remove this is that installing the new filter, it doesn't allow it to go straight in. It goes in crooked and it's going to bind up on you. So this unit right here has two little lock tabs. There's a little clip right here, and then there's one on the back side. So I'm using an angled pick. I'm going to go on the back side, release that clip while gently pulling up on it. Now I'm popping this out here. There's two little tabs. There's one right here that we're releasing, and then one right here. When we go to install it, you're simply going to push this down into the hole, and it's going to lock into place. Now go ahead and grab your filter. Line that up into the pocket right there, and just gently wiggle that in until it's fully seated. Once that's fully seated, go ahead and grab that cover. I'm going to go ahead and get these top buttons here pressed up and in, and then just press in the bottom clips. You can hear them lock into place. Go ahead and grab your retractor here, press that down into place. Grab the glove box. We're going to install the 4 hooks here onto the pivotal points. Line those up. I want to grab this rod here and bring that down on the outside. Bring this up. You can go ahead and install that rod, push it in, and just snap it down. You can hear it click. And then press it on the sides. Go ahead and install your items back into the glove box. Close it up, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.